Hey, this is Neil-Asher from the Aussie Online Entrepreneurs, where we help Australians just like you start their own online business selling things right here in Australia. We've got over 2,000 members with sales of over $50 million, and you can find out more by going to www.aussieonlineentrepreneurs.com.au. Are you flogging a dead horse? Is your product no longer making muchos cashola? In this video, I'm going to tell you how to fix or dump a dead product. All right, so Yvette asked me a cool question about Amazon products. Here's something that I am sure lots and lots of people have thought about. At what point do you dump a product or a niche that is not working for you? What do you reckon of that? At what point do you dump your product or the niche that you were in? What point do you do that? Whereabouts in the cycle do you kind of go, frick it, I'm not going to do this anymore. This is clearly a lame ass product. What is that point? What do you reckon it is? I'm going to give you my impression of this, but I'd be super interested to hear your impression of this as well. All right, so here's my thoughts on this. So let's turn my webcam on. I reckon there's three, count them, three main reasons. Very articulate tonight. What is going on with that? Gesticulating. There's three reasons, main reasons, that an Amazon product, indeed any product, doesn't need to be Amazon, could be friggin' anything, but it's the three main reasons that shit doesn't work, okay? All businesses, not just Amazon businesses, all businesses. Three, here they are. You naughty person, are selling something that people no longer want. That sucks. They wanted it for a while, and now they no longer want it. There's other options that have come out onto the market. There's version 2.0s of it. The market's moved on. There's a new thing that people now want. For whatever reason, the market just no longer wants that thing that you are selling. That sucks. How do you check that? Pretty simple. You can go to things like merchant words and go and see the trend over time of that particular search phrase. You can do the same thing on Google AdWords. You can use Google Trends for that. You can check out things like Etsy and Pinterest and all those other cool platforms to see where the market's at. But one way or another, the opportunity has gone. There was an opportunity and now it's gone. Okay, so in that situation, what the hell do you do? Man, you just got to suck that shit up. And that sucks, but you just got to suck it up. You got to move on. It's no good trying to carry on selling something that is no longer wanted by the market. All you're going to do is piss yourself off, become frustrated, and then you'll want to quit. Much better to say, man, the market moved on. C'est la vie. Next thing, where's the market at? Let's go there. Or where's the market going to next? Much more important. Let's go there. Okay, so there's that. Next up, the way that you are selling it, the thing, is wrong. The way that you're selling it is wrong. Could be things like, specifically to Amazon, your product details page is wrong. Your images are shit. You haven't thought about your customer and done images that your customer will respond to. You haven't thought about what your customer wants, what they want it for, and done your images commensurate with that. Your title is wrong. You've gone after the wrong search term. You don't have enough reviews for your product. Something about the product details page is wrong. It just isn't working. How do you see if it's that? The easiest way to see if it's that is to check out a report in Amazon, which is called the Unit Session Percentage Report. Basically what that gives you is it gives you the conversion rate of your page to sales, meaning for every 100 people that see your product details page, how many of them purchase your product? If that is less than 15%, you've got a problem. There's a problem there. Go check it out. Fix the problem. See if that fixes the product problem, okay? That. Final one, number 3. It could be a problem of marketing, traffic. So why is my product not making sales? Well, good product. People want the product. People like the product. People need the product. Good product details page. You've done a good job of that. People understand the product. You've got great images. You've done a good job of that. You've got the right search terms going for. You've got yourself some good reviews. Awesome, foursome. Why is it not selling? You're not getting enough eyeballs on the page to get sales. You're just not getting enough people to the page, okay? Could be just that. And that is solved by Amazon PPC, by Facebook ads, or whatever it may be, Google PPC, Bing, YouTube, Instagram, whatever it is, okay? Get more traffic to the product details page, increase sales, okay? But it's in that order. What I've given it to you, that's the order to go after it, okay? So at what point do you dump a product or detail that is not working? Well, the first thing you do is you figure out why it isn't working. Once you've figured out that, the rest will become self-explanatory. I will say this, 2 things I have learned in business and constantly get slapped in the face for. Thing number 1, hire slowly, fire quickly. Hire slowly, fire quickly. As soon as somebody demonstrates to you that they're an asshole, get them the hell out of there. Now, I am naturally a positive person, and so I'm always looking for the best in people. That's just my natural predisposition, so I struggle with that shit. But time and time again, hire slow, fire fast, okay? And so it applies to products as well. Take time to find your product, and as soon as you've got it, as soon as it's not working, figure out why it's not working. If you need to dump it, dump it. Get out of there as quickly as possible. Get on to the next thing. Don't mess about with that. Hope that helps. Good question, Yvette. Love your bloody work. That was a video taken from my regular Monday night Q&A session that we have here at the Aussie Online Entrepreneurs. Every week we jump on a call just like you saw, and I'm just answering questions, helping people build their Amazon business. If you'd like to get myself to help you build your Amazon business, you can find out more by going to www.aussieonlineentrepreneurs.com.au. See you on the inside. Bye for now.